Yo, what's going on, my people? HumidityLiquidity here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Right now, I accidentally entered the trade. So I'm looking at this fair value gap over here, and then we'll see what price wants to do. So price came down to this order block. Now let's have a look at the others. So the other indices, US 30 has taken out the low. US 30 has taken out its low down here, so we currently have this large SMT. So here I accidentally entered a buy and I instantly closed it, but yeah, it is what it is. So let's have a look. So we've taken out that swing high I was talking about on the daily. And now we could potentially reverse, but do we have any SMTs on the highs? No. So we should go up. So this chart is moving, this one isn't. On the 15-second, see, I'll just enter on this chart. You can see the other one's not moving. So I'm put a stop loss over here. 0.5% risk. And a buy right there. Okay, now we go in for 50 points. Oh, I mean 50 ticks, which is 5 handles. Okay, now over here on the 15-second, I see this fair value gap. Now we can get stopped out, so let's see how price wants to move in this scenario. So this is my risk entry, 0.5% risk. If we get stopped out, I will start looking at the other chart since it may start moving soon. This chart isn't the best. It has high spreads, or higher spreads than this one. But here we are. Okay, so we got stopped out on the buy. Now just gonna wait until price comes back up to this fair value gap high, and then I'll look for another entry. And this price presents some sells. But yeah. Okay, now I can go back to this chart. Right here, that chart is still not looking good. Okay, so right here, still looking for buys. Let's see if we break up. If we break up, I'll have a buy. So here is the buy. So re-entered over here after price took this low. Okay, so now looking at the 15-minute time frame, I can aim for this high up here, right here. So that high is the aim, and then we came up to that 15-minute fair value gap high. We're wicking away, we're rejecting, so I entered after I saw that. Okay, so I'm actually going to put my take profit up here, right there, and remove this line from that 15-minute fair value gap, but that line is still valid. Okay, I'm just going to remove the executions for now. I'm going to enter one more time. So on the 30 second we are in this fair value gap, and in the 15 second it's not a fair value gap, and the 1 minute. Now if I do get stopped out, I'm waiting until 9:30, and then we'll see what happens then. So I'm just scrolling through all the indices. They've all rejected. They all have that huge wick, so we should start see price start moving up. So here I'm going for 8 handles, or nearly 9 handles. I'm going to take profit at, see how many handles this is, at around 5 handles. So this, yeah, so that's 5 handles. Take partials over here, and then yeah, partials at 5 handles, and then full take profit if it's hit. So yeah, we also have this order block over here. So I'm not going to look at the 15 second anymore, since we now could trade back into this order block and then continue up higher. And we also have a 1 minute fair value gap forming. But yeah, and also for the purpose of everybody else, some people don't have the 15 seconds, so I'm just going to stick with this. Okay, so let's go to the executions. Right here, we took the high, had the 5 points, took partials. I've had 1 loss today, the accidental entry before the news, and then over here had another loss, and then now entered this 15 second candle right here after we hit this low, started rejecting, and then another entry at the 30 second fair value gap, and then we started running up, and now we should hit full take profit soon. So where I'm looking to enter from next, or if I were to enter, it would probably be this balanced price range, or this 1 minute order block below here, or potentially even this fair value gap. You could be eyeing this area here. This is a breaker block, so you could see something from there potentially. But since I'm having low targets and I'm pretty much done for the day after this target is hit, this is pretty much it. But yeah, 2 losses and should have a win. Let's have a look. So yeah, this one, huge loss after that. It just did that massive drop, 1% loss, but recovered partials, and then this trade should bring me back up. But yeah, right there, recovery, so it's all good. So since we moved up like this, I'll be looking at this 5 minute order block if I were to enter next. So looking at the 15 minute, we might not even get down to this area, but you could have your hopes for the next 15 minute candle, so you just have to see what price does. But yeah, you should wait until after 9:30. That is the preferred time. So after 9:30 you can look for a cleaner entry, and then yeah, no entries on the 1 minute offered here. We may be offered the entry at this fair value gap above, take us straight into that high. Having a look at Nasdaq took that high, US 30 did not, and S&P did not. But for today I am bullish, and looking at how this 15 minute candle rejected, it's quite clear that price wants to go up. So yeah, on the daily could be looking at this high on the 13th of December. So that could be the drawn liquidity for the next few weeks, depending on how large that pool is. So here we rejected that fair value gap and we hit my take profit right there. So yeah, account recovered. So yeah, look how easy it is to recover your loss with 5 points. But yeah, it's all good. Done for the day. Got the 4.8% or 4% from earlier, previous video, the pre-market entry, and then got the loss and then recovered it. This one right on the knees, but it's all good. We chilling, no more trades, and yeah, hope this was insightful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.